Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting quickly. Open WhatsApp, and when the restore prompt appears, tap Cancel or Decline to stop the meteor restore attempt. Once done, turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data to prevent any resumed download. This forces the app to pause network activity. Make sure your phone won't auto-connect to any known networks by toggling airplane mode briefly. Doing these first steps stops large data use and preserves your existing local files while you prepare the next action. Next, you need to remove restore sources and reset the app. First, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and Clear Cache. This removes temporary restore fragments. Then open Google Drive or iCloud and delete the WhatsApp backup record so the cloud won't trigger another restore. Once that's done, force stop WhatsApp and relaunch it while still offline. This ensures the app initializes without finding backup files. Make sure you don't sign back into cloud accounts until ready. To finish, reboot your device, re-enable your network, and open WhatsApp to confirm the restore prompt no longer appears. If a restore still restarts unexpectedly, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it while offline, then manually restore only desired local files. Make sure to copy important media from the WhatsApp folder to a safe location before reinstalling. Troubleshooting tip: if cloud backups persistently trigger, remove WhatsApp permissions from your cloud account and revoke app access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.